Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pop Summaries, your go-to spot for self-improvement tips, productivity hacks, and book reviews. Today, we're diving into one of my all-time favorite books on productivity, How to Be a Productivity Ninja. Worry Less, Achieve More and Love What You Do by Graham Allcott. Trust me, this book is packed with actionable tips that can completely transform how you work and live. So grab your notebook and let's explore how to unleash your inner productivity ninja. 1. Adopt the mindset of a productivity ninja. First up, let's talk about the mindset. A productivity ninja is calm, prepared, and ruthless. This isn't about working harder or longer, it's about working smarter. Graham Allcott emphasizes qualities like focus, agility, and mindfulness. So, what does that look like in real life? Actionable tips: stay calm under pressure. Practice mindfulness or meditation daily for 10 minutes to clear your head. Be prepared by planning your day the night before. Ruthlessly prioritize tasks that align with your goals and say no to distractions. Example: for instance, start your day with a prioritized to-do list and tackle the most important task during your peak energy hours. 2. Master the art of attention management. Next, let's talk about attention management. Alcott argues that time management is old news. What truly matters is how you manage your attention. Actionable tips: break your day into focused work sessions using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Identify your attention zones. When are you most focused, and when do you tend to zone out? Plan deep work during high attention periods. Eliminate distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb, use website blockers, or work in a quiet space. Example: let's say you're writing a report. Allocate 25 minutes to focus solely on writing, followed by a 5-minute break. These short bursts of concentration can skyrocket your productivity. 3. Be ruthless with your priorities. Host. Ever feel overwhelmed by your to-do list? Productivity ninjas are ruthless about their priorities. Not all tasks are created equal. Actionable tips: use the 2-minute rule for small tasks. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Categorize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix: urgent and important, important but not urgent, and so on. Regularly review your task list and eliminate anything that doesn't serve your long-term goals. Example: imagine you're juggling multiple projects. Create a matrix to identify which tasks need your immediate attention and which can be delegated or postponed. 4. The power of inbox zero. Host. Let's talk about something we all struggle with: our inbox. Alcott's approach to inbox zero is a game changer. The goal is to process emails efficiently, so your inbox doesn't become a digital clutter zone. Actionable tips: use the delete, delegate, respond, defer, do framework for every email. Schedule specific times to check your inbox rather than reacting to notifications all day. Create folders or labels to organize emails for easy access later. Example: check your inbox 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and before logging off. Process emails during these times instead of letting them interrupt your workflow. 5. Develop your second brain. Host. A productivity ninja always has a system for capturing and organizing ideas, what Alcott calls your second brain. Actionable tips: use tools like Notion, Evernote, or a simple notebook to store ideas, meeting notes, and task lists. Regularly review and update your system to ensure it's working for you. Keep your second brain simple and consistent. Don't overcomplicate it with too many tools. Example: for instance, use Notion to create a dashboard for your weekly goals, tasks, and notes. This way, everything is in one place. 6. Embrace procrastination productively. Host. Surprisingly, Alcott doesn't demonize procrastination. Instead, he suggests using it productively. Actionable tips: practice active procrastination by working on less important tasks when you're avoiding big ones. Use procrastination as a signal to reevaluate your priorities or approach. Schedule breaks and downtime so you don't feel guilty about stepping away from work. Example: feeling stuck, switch to a smaller task like organizing your desk. Sometimes, a quick win can boost your momentum. 7. Review and reflect regularly. Host. Lastly, productivity ninjas never skip the review process. Reflection is key to continuous improvement. Actionable tips: conduct a weekly review. What worked, what didn't, and what can you improve? Set aside time for daily journaling to track progress and clear your mind. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated. Example: at the end of the week, write down 3 things you accomplished, 1 thing you learned, and 1 area for improvement. This small habit can keep you focused and aligned with your goals. And there you have it: 7 powerful lessons from how to be a productivity ninja that you can start applying today. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more, It's about doing the right things with intention and focus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. And let me know in the comments, which of these tips are you excited to try first? Until next time, stay productive.